Free land is the king of all freebies. Did you know that even today, some local and state governments will give you free land? There is always a good reason why something is free, such as the fact that it is remote, or there is something similar. But some people don't mind that and are content to accept the free land. Welcome to the Financial Flow. Please like and subscribe to our channel and turn on notifications to stay up on our latest videos. I'll just list some locations where you can get free land for those of you. Kansas Plainville comes first. The population of Plainville is 2,000 or so. Their lots are 93 feet deep and 150 feet wide. After someone purchases the vacant lot, they present an alternative strategy for increasing demand. However, there is a chance that any flights going to the airport will be delayed. The pilots do require all homes to be on foundation and typically have a side business of crop dusting. A $500 deposit is also needed to hold the property, but it will be returned after the land is deeded. If your house isn't finished in 18 months because of the land, it's your fault. Anderson, Alaska, is another location that gives off free land. The Alaskan small town of Anderson is accessible by car in about an hour and a half from Fairbanks. I know the perfect location for you if you want to get away from all of those issues. 300 people live there. Anderson, Alaska is the place to go if you never want to be stuck in traffic again. Now, we don't mean to imply that the location is remote, but neither a gas station nor a streetlight are present. Additionally, it takes an hour and a half to drive to Fairbanks for any large city necessities like groceries, but you will soon receive free land. By showing up, you can apply for free homestead land and pay a $500 deposit, which, like many other places, is returned once the building is finished. Although the amount of time you have to construct is not specified, you can be sure that there is a time limit. Elwood, Nebraska, is another location that produces land. A small village in Nebraska named Elwood is giving away lots of land on which to construct houses. On lots measuring approximately 110 by 150 feet, at least 6 homes have already been constructed. They demand a house that is at least 1,400 square feet in size and has a 2-car garage. At least you get free land in this boring town, where if someone has a sale, people can't stop talking about it for 3 weeks. Another location providing land is Claremont, Minnesota. Everybody who would be regarded as middle class can receive free land in Claremont. You must fulfill a few requirements in order to receive your free land. In order to support a family of 2, you need a gross annual income of less than $84,200. If you fall within the middle class and below standard, and are willing to do a few other things, you can enroll in their Freeland Homestead program. They used to have a bar, but now they just have a soda machine and everyone is courteous. It's also very cool. As a result of the post office having to suspend operations due to the roof being damaged by too much snow, you might not also receive your mail. Flagler, Colorado, is another location that gives off free land. With so many people looking for work, this is the first one for businesses. Flagler, Colorado is located 110 miles east of Denver. Don't move to this part of Colorado expecting to see mountains. You will be sorely disappointed. This is the part of Colorado without the Rockies. You could potentially have here 488 free acres available for a business to establish itself. The amount of land you are eligible for will depend on how many jobs the business will bring to this 650-person strong small town. Muskegon, Michigan, is another location that gives off free land. Businesses can move into and operate on free industrial park property provided by the city of Muskegon, Michigan. They are open to providing tax breaks, lower water and electricity prices, and other advantages. In contrast to many other cities in the Wolverine state, Muskegon is a lovely city. Buffalo, New York, is another location that gives off free land. Land is being offered for $1 as part of Buffalo, New York's urban homestead program, but I think that price is a little high. For many years, Buffalo was a really nice city before things started to deteriorate dramatically. The program offers a variety of land options, some of which have residences already constructed on them. The issue is that you have to bring them into compliance. The blood-stained carpet would need to be removed before you could begin to remove the bullet holes and repair the window bars, at which point you might be up to code. Marquette, Kansas, is another location that gives off free land. Marquette, a respectable town with 641 inhabitants, is a gem in the rough. They have excellent public schools, a low cost of living, And safety. There isn't much crime down here. The small town Main Street they have going on here makes this a cute little town that I wouldn't mind visiting. In addition to filling out a land application, you must start building within 120 days of being accepted into the free land program, which takes about 4 months and isn't too difficult. You must finish building your home within a year of signing the land agreement, and you must stay in the house during that time. Although it is free land in a peaceful small Kansas town, your home must meet a few requirements in order to be eligible. Again, if you will, this is a perfect place to live for those who can work from home, which is pretty much the majority of people. La Villa, Texas is another location that gives off free land, and if you're from the East Coast, unlike the majority of the places on the list, it's not an hour drive from everything. This peaceful small town is located in southern Texas, about 30 minutes south of McAllen. It is providing about 100 land plots for residential construction. Although land is given away for free, you will still have to pay property taxes. Additionally, they place a 5-year lien on the property, so that if you sell it within that time, you owe the local government a certain sum of money. Usually, it corresponds to the property's value. In essence, they favor residents over developers. You might want to inquire with La Villa to learn more about the income requirements for obtaining the land. Camden, Maine is the last location that offers free land. Maine is regarded as the nation's favorite state. If you don't mind the cold and really enjoy seafood, Maine is one of the best states in the Union. In May, Camden, a coastal town in Maine, just north of Rockland, is having a difficult time finding someone to take care of free land. A 3-acre commercial plot of land in Camden, Maine is available for free to anyone who wants it. The only restriction is that the purchaser must launch a successful business within 5 years. Since it was first advertised in 2010, it has never been filled with any offers. And there you have it, a list of locations where you can obtain free land. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to leave a like and subscribe to our channel for more content like this. Have a good one.